Description: for an effortless beachy look, minus the salt. Creates soft, tousled waves with a texturized, semi-matte finish. Benefits: enhances natural waves, texture and boxy without drying out hair. Suggested use: great as a means of enhancing curly or wavy hair that is fine, medium or thick. How to use: for use on damp and dry hair. Spray from roots to ends and scrunch hair. Air dry or use a blowdryer or diffuser for more constructed waves. All Drybar haircare products are paraben, sulfate, phthalate and cruelty-free, no animal testing. Top reviews from the United States. Love this product. My hair is straight. I like the wave this gives me. I put it on my wet hair then allow it to dry naturally while scrunching it as it dries.